Hello viewer, in this tutorial I am gonna show you how to insert and modify image or text watermark in MS Word document. The first thing we have to do, just click on page layout and then click on watermark. Okay, by default it has some format here such as confidential, draft, sample, etc. The best part is custom setup. So just click here custom watermark. So here I will show you how to image as watermark. Then I will show you text as a watermark. Now just click here on the picture watermark and click on select picture. So I want to insert this picture as a watermark, and here you can change your percentage and I select auto. You must deselect this option wash out. If I select this option, you can see our watermark not clearly appear here. So again go to the watermark and deselect the wash out and then apply this method. You can also modify your picture. So first you need to click on outer of the text and then select this picture, and then I want to edit this picture, and you can also move this picture as well. As you can see, all the images are changed. Now I would like to show you how to add text as watermark on this document. So again go to page layout and then click on watermark. After that go to custom watermark and then select text watermark. And now here you can also change the language, and here we can write the text which is actually displayed on this document as watermark. You can also change the font style, size or color, and here you got two options, diagonal or horizontal. So I left it as diagonal. So I type lorem ipsum. So you must deselect this semi-transparent and then OK. Hope so this small video help you lot. Keep learning. Have a nice day.